Hi there, it's Andy from Email Love, and we've just added a powerful new feature to the Email Love Figma plugin, making all of our components compatible with Figma components. So if you're not familiar with Figma components, they are kind of reusable sections that you can use across a design system. Quite often, designers in Figma will be using this for websites or product designs. But applying this to your email design system is very powerful, and when combined with the Email Love Figma plugin, it enables you to really scale your email production and make updates to your different sections and have that cascade across all of the different places where you might be using that component. So here are a few components that I've created for my own Email Love newsletter. So I have a header, I have a hero section, I have a section for some content on the different types of email inspiration that we feature, what we're reading this week, sponsorship. And so these have been saved as components, and these are like my master components. So I won't touch these unless I want to make a change across all of my templates and all of my campaigns. Just to show you how that works, if I was to, for some reason, change the color of this title section, you can see here I could make it red, and you can see that actually updates in this template where I've used that component. So I'm just going to undo that because it's a horrible color. That gives you an idea of why that is powerful. Another example might be you want to update a font across all of your templates, or you want to maybe change the corner radius or something like that. The other really interesting thing is when you come to create a campaign, you could create a new page. So I'm just going to pretend this is my new campaign. I would then come into the Assets tab, and I now have all of my components available to use within this library. And I can save individual components, or I could even save entire templates in here as well. So here's like my newsletter template, which I saved as a component. And then the other way that you can build these emails is just by selecting the individual components. You can also apply properties to each part of the component. So I could apply a property to the hero text, and I can turn that on and off with this button. Same thing with the hero image. I've applied a property to that, so you can see how I can very easily turn that on and off. I can also then add my frame and then drag my my component into. Oh, I've made my email extra narrow. Let's change the frame size to 550. There we go. And so now I can update that, I can add additional sections, and I can also drag them in directly from the asset library here. So we're really excited about this feature. Our customers are getting a lot of benefit from it, but just because they are now able to save these components directly within Figma, and marketers can edit the content without having to worry about any of this stuff on the right hand side. We can also simplify the components. So if I go back here and I go up to the component settings, a feature that I really like is this simplify all instances, and then when I go to actually edit that instance, it removes all of the settings on the right hand side. So as a marketer or as a non-Figma expert, I can easily update the images, update the text, and not worry about auto layout or messing up any of the padding or anything like that. So this is available now, and yeah, you're welcome to play around with it and let me know what you think.